other games. Now let's play first the Keke Challenge. Are you ready?
And now we have a trial first. Are you ready?
Yes. We are.
Saging, kamote, ginamos, itoslo. Oh, di ba?
Wow! Ang galing!
Nagpailo?
Okay, this is the final game. Saging, kamote, ginamos, 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 itoslo.
Ay, sabi na mo ako!
Okay,
Okay.
saging, kamote, ginamos, itoslo, itoslo, itoslo. Ginamos, saging, kamote, itoslo, itoslo, saging. Ginamos. Okay, Rose, you're out. 3 out of 4. Saging, ginamos, kamote, itoslo, 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 ginamos, itoslo, ginamos, itoslo, ginamos, itoslo, kamote. Ah! Ah! Rubian, you're out. 2 out of 4. Saging, kamote, ginamos, itoslo, ginamos, itoslo, ginamos, itoslo, ginamos, itoslo, kamote, saging, kamote, saging, kamote, saging, ginamos, itoslo, itoslo,
I believe I can fly.
itoslo, ginamos. You're out, yan. This is our prize. Okay, you're a win.
Palit akong soft drinks!
Paglibre sa uyam.
Now we are done for the first game. And let's proceed the second game, which is the slippers game.
So ngayon, ikaw yung taya. Are you ready?
Yes. Okay, let's play the slipper game.
Pag ikapoy na mong abal, no?